Well, hello everyone, and welcome to our channel, The Nation Needs You All About SSB. So, the guest for today is Anjani Upadhyay. This girl is not only recommended from 3rd AFSB Gandhinagar, but also a CPSS qualified candidate. Well, my questions were from so many different areas, from different rounds of CPSS, the strategy to crack it, the medicals for the flying branch, and the list was endless. But I was so impressed by the kind of patience she showed while answering the questions, elaborating each and every stages of CPSS. So, aspirants, please watch this interview till end. If in case you have any doubts, just mention that under the comment section. I or Anjani, any one of us would answer that question. And please watch this interview. This interview has happened after so much of network glitch and glitch related to the power cut. But Anjani made sure that she answers each and every question. So please, in order to acknowledge and respect that gesture, go and watch this interview and keep watching The Nation Needs You All About SSB and hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't till now. All the best, everyone. Well, hello Anjani, and welcome to our channel, The Nation Needs You All About SSB.
Thank you so much, Sadrika, for having me here.
And your recommendation is very important because you are not only CPSS qualified now, but you have
Yes,
done it in COVID. So
yes, I
great
have done
thumbs up.
it. Thank you so much.
So, third AFSB, Gandhinagar, people say
Mm-hmm.
that it is the dedicated center made only for SSB. There is nothing else which happens there. So,
Yes.
why Gandhinagar? You choose Gandhinagar because of the location which is nearby you?
Yes, you can say 80% inclination to choose Gandhinagar was the location wise, and means I have a little bit touch with that city and state, so that is why I opted for Gandhinagar.
Okay, that's really cool.
Yeah,
And
and
CPS, yeah.
I got screened out for in my first SSB. Means this was my second attempt. Yes.
Okay.
So in the first attempt, I got screened out from Gandhinagar itself. So on that very day, I thought that if I have to get recommended, it will be from this uh, AFSB only. So that was something I made it very clear.
Wow, I mean, I didn't know that. You didn't tell me about this on the phone call, but that decision actually you proved right. You did it.
And it proved in my favor, so I am more happy.
That's really so good thing to know about you. So Anjani, तुम्हारे case में the most important thing that stands out is CPSS. So the
Right.
interview will actually revolve around CPSS only, and we would like to make our audience aware through your experience about CPSS.
Sure, sure. I'll help with my all my best. Means whatever knowledge and things I can tell the audience and the people who are watching your channel about the CPSs, so that yes, they get the information and they can prepare themselves for the same.
Absolutely, Anjani, absolutely. So starting with the very first question,
Mm-hmm.
the CPSS, अगर हम CPSS के एग्जाम पैटर्न की बात करें तो उसमें एयरक्राफ्ट मीटर्स के क्वेश्चन होते हैं, उसमें मैथ्स के क्वेश्चन होते हैं, उसमें लॉजिकल रीजनिंग के भी क्वेश्चन होते हैं. सो अगर मैं समझना चाहूँ, सो व्हाट इज द स्ट्रैटेजी टू क्रैक CPSS in one go?
See, obviously you have to write it in one go because it's a one-time life opportunity. It's not given the second chance. But yes,
Absolutely.
I would say first of all, what the most important thing which lies in clearing this exam, keeping SSB aside, only the CPSS part, is your patience and your confidence. See, the I am telling my example. I had prepared questions. I did practice. I won't lie. I did practice for CPSS. Okay, about the maths question, which I had a bit idea from here and there from my friends that these questions from these topics these can come for from maths and for logical reasoning. I did prepare, and I would be very true to you, Sandra. None of the question appeared. None.
Okay. Okay.
The I'll tell you what I prepared the questions from height and distance and trigonometry from maths. Okay, which is considered to be logically seen that when you have to fly, you have to if knowledge about the distance and the angles and everything. Okay, none of the question came from trigonometry or height and distance. The questions were from profit and loss. They were from numbers. They were from time, speed, time and work. So these were the questions which I encountered in the CPSS first round. There are two rounds. The first round, if you clear the first round, then you are qualified or they allow you to go for the second round. Yes. So
Okay.
I believe that confidence and patience. Obviously, when you see the questions and you are like, no, these are certain questions which I have not prepared. I have not practiced for that. So down the line, subconsciously, you get little bit stressed out, right? So, but as per my experience, I would suggest that be composed when you are giving this exam because they give you ample opportunities. Like there are around 6 to 7 sets. I am not very sure about the number because the time limit is very crucial, very crucial. So
Okay.
I did not, get the time or manage to count the sets. Okay, because I was obviously I was more focused in giving maximum questions, answers to maximum questions. So, but yes, there are around 6 to 7 sets in the first round. So
Okay.
you,
Okay.
if in case you are not so good in the in any of these sets, then obviously you can cover up in the other set.
Okay. Okay. So,
Yes.
actually, I talk to a lot of candidates and basis their experience because some people they pass it and some people they don't pass it. So,
Yes.
what they have figured out is कि जो मीटर के क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, जो एयरक्राफ्ट में मीटर्स रहते हैं, जो आपको हाइट बताएंगे, जो आपको डायरेक्शन बताएंगे,
Mhm.
उसके क्वेश्चंस कर पाना, द स्टूडेंट्स दे फाइंड इट डिफिकल्ट टू डू. तो
Okay.
तुम्हारी स्ट्रैटेजी क्या थी, स्पेशली उन क्वेश्चंस के लिए जहाँ पे मीटर्स आ जाते थे?
See, obviously they also know that we are coming from a non-flying background, if we say, like we will be trained to fly the aircrafts, right? So they give a very clear and very, you can say very detailed instructions about how the meter is, how we have to take the scaling, the measurement, how do we have to read it. Okay. In fact, they also provide some examples. And there is one of the officer who is standing and he gives ample time. He asks you that do you have any question, query in this question? Do you have any query in this question? So if you have, don't shy, just feel free to ask because this is one time life opportunity. You won't be
Absolutely.
getting it in
Absolutely.
chance. So there is no shame in asking if you don't understand a minute thing. It's okay.
Absolutely.
So that is why I would suggest that when the instructions are being, on in the hall, be very, very attentive to it.
Mhm.
If you are not able to understand any minute, any single thing, please do ask. Don't
Okay.
ask your friends, don't ask to the batchmates which are sitting nearby or besides you. Okay, ask to the concerned officer.
बिल्कुल सही, बिल्कुल सही. So I would like to tell my audience as well that because of hesitation, you may just lose the golden opportunity.
I absolutely agree with the statement of yours that hesitation, that nervousness. I would be very true again that I was also very nervous. Obviously, anyone would be because this is a one-time life opportunity, right? So I was also very nervous. But yes, I made myself composed and calm. That no, it is your first and last chance, which it is. So just give your best.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Instead of wasting the time in nervousness and hesitation that मुझे ये नहीं आ रहा ये नहीं आ रहा focus कि मुझे क्या आता है ना how best I can do in that. So
Okay.
this is something I would advise or suggest by through you or through your channel to the
Okay.
audience.
सो जितने भी मीटर्स के क्वेश्चन आते हैं वो सारे के सारे मीटर्स आपको पहले एक्सप्लेन किए जाएंगे ताकि आप उनसे वेल वर्स्ड हो सके और उसके बाद ही वो क्वेश्चंस आपको दिए जाएंगे.
Yes.
ओके. Fair enough. And now I hope that everyone who is watching this, they'll be more focused now, if they're going for the CPSS, कि जो भी instructions दी जा रही है उनको अच्छे से आप सुनो और फिर उसको अपने question में implement करके आंसर पे आप आ
Yes.
सकते हैं.
Yes.
Okay.
The 6 of the meters will be explained to you in this very start. Okay, after that only exam will start. Once the exam starts, obviously you aren't asked anything to anyone. Okay, so before that they give you आराम से बहुत सारा time होता है. They explain you very well on a big screen. Okay, they give you examples. Then it is paused. The officer will ask. Then another meter will be explained to you. So like this way the process goes.
So it means it should be very long also in the duration.
Yes, means we were very clearly instructed that you can go to the loo, you can have water, do the thing because it means you have to sit for 1 to 2 hours for the round.
ओके ओके सो
Yeah.
अंजलि जैसे हमने मीटर्स की बात की हमने ये भी समझा कि कितना अटेंटिव रहना जरूरी है तो ये तो बात हो गई कि आपने एक पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन की बात की लेकिन एग्जाम के पहले जो सेक्शन मैथ्स का जो कि हमें पहले से पता होता है दैट क्वेश्चंस विल कम फ्रॉम हियर सो आर देयर एनी टॉपिक्स व्हिच यू वुड लाइक टू सजेस्ट टू द ऑडियंस कि आप ये टॉपिक तो जरूर ही पढ़ के जाएं फॉर मैथ्स
See, I would suggest the ones who know basic maths means their foundation is strong. They won't have any issue. Okay, the questions are not so very tough. You'll get a mediocre level of questions.
ओके ओके
हाँ, not below average, बिल्कुल easy नहीं मिलेंगे कि plus minus करने वाले no. Okay, you'll get the questions which have good level means a mediocre level of calculation. Okay.
Okay.
So the ones who are not don't have phobia from the maths, okay, or have a good foundation, it is well versed. Like it is normal for them to go with the maths questions. The ones who have fear or who have a phobia of maths, I would suggest the basic topics which we had till last 10, which are like profit and loss, speed and distance and time and work, numbers, height and distance and trigonometry also. Okay, because I don't know what questions were asked in the previous year of CPSC exam. I am telling you the topic which I have encountered.
Absolutely, absolutely.
And nowhere on the internet or anywhere else you won't get the question that like any previous year questions like we did for the various other competitive exams you won't get for CPSS. So this time I might have not
There's a problem with CPSS. That's true.
question. This time I would have not encountered the height and distance and trigonometry questions, but probably they can get in the consecutive or the coming exam. So I would suggest the basic topics which I have mentioned the names, trigonometry, height and distance, mensuration, and profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest. Okay, the basic. I would suggest to practice that, not of a very high level, of a mediocre level.
So अंजलि नेगेटिव मार्किंग होती है उसमें CPSS में
Nahi.
Okay.
See, there are 2 rounds. In the second round, you don't have. Okay, if there is a negative marking, they give you a very clear instruction, and that is, I guess, in one or two games, not in all the games. And here in the final, in the written one, the first round, there was no negative mark. That is why it is advised that you attempt as many questions you can do.
As you can.
You know, your by luck that question gets correct. But I would
Okay.
suggest through your channel, Sadrika, that please don't waste time on one question. The time limit is very, very less and crucial.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So I would suggest that don't stick to one question. If you are not able to solve it in
Go to the
45
next.
seconds or 1 minute,
Hmm.
go to the next one.
Okay.
If the
Okay.
time is left in answering all the questions, then you can get back to the ones you have left. Otherwise, just mark whatever you finish.
Okay. So it means the art is to cover more and more questions, right? The more you
More
cover,
information, with accuracy, obviously.
Okay, absolutely. Absolutely.
Attempt more and more questions and they come out to be wrong, then also it's of no use, right?
Absolutely.
Attempt questions that makes you clear the CPSs.
Okay. So Anjali, अगर हम इस पूरे एनालिसिस को समझें, so how would you rate the whole CPSs? Like it's not too difficult, not too easier, but with practice you can overcome it, right?
Yes, with practice and it's a mediocre level. I won't say it's too difficult or too easy. I won't lie. Okay, it's not easy,
That
but
easy.
yes, it's a mediocre level. Like you can do it. Anyone can do it.
तो अंजलि जैसे हम अगर CPSS को क्लासिफाई करें, so there are main two stages, stage 1 and stage 2. Stage 1 में questions आते हैं maths, meters and different logical reasoning question and that's like the boundary of test. Similarly, जो stage 2 होता है उसमें ज्यादातर game related questions आते हैं. Related तो नहीं कह सकते but you can make a comparison, right? That those questions are
These are games. We say those are games.
okay. So those are games. So अंजलि, आप जो सेकेंड राउंड है, जो स्टेज 2 है, उसके बारे में हमें बताओ कि उसमें कितने और सब पार्ट्स होते हैं, हर एक पार्ट में किस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. सो प्लीज टेल दिस फॉर आवर ऑडियंस elaboratively.
Yeah, sure. I'll be elaborative as you have asked me. See, sorry. In the second round, there are 7 games you have to play. See,
Okay.
I would, from the very start, I'll make this clear that I am given this information all based on my experience. I don't know about the previous ones. I don't know what is going to come. So,
Okay.
if in case there are any changes, please forgive me. Please forgive me and Sadrika both. So,
Yeah.
see, I encountered 7 games.
Okay.
Okay. Each game you are given 4 times, 4 trials to play. You can say.
Okay. अच्छा.
Okay. So it's not that कि आपने पहली बार में अच्छा नहीं किया तो आप you lose hope कि नहीं आने पे लड़ गया. No, you have 4 chances. Okay. And I don't know, but I have also heard that in these 4, the best score of any game of these 4 trials is taken. Obviously, उसी के लिए शायद ये लोग 4 trials करवाते हैं, right? So
Absolutely.
if you make possible that you give your best shot in the one go, but if not able to, then don't lose hope. There are 3 more trials left. Okay.
बिल्कुल.
Now there are different games. Okay. There is no time limit. You can play aram se, smoothly, easily. You don't have to hurry. Okay. Before every game, instructions will be clear on the screen of the cockpit. Okay. Once the game starts, you are not allowed to stand to do anything to ask any question. Nothing. Okay. And just your pedal, your hand movement with the jockey before the game. They'll give you that time. Okay. Your seating arrangement, your seat going up and down, pedal and everything arranged before the starting of the game. So that in the middle you don't feel any kind of uncomfortability. Because the movement of hand and the working of the legs on the pedal makes a huge difference.
बिल्कुल.
Because huge difference यही है. You have to play the game with these 2 things only. Okay.
Exactly.
So be very quick and be very sharp and be very attentive. इधर उधर मत देखना what others are doing.
Distractions.
Has anyone completed their game? Has anyone left the room? No. Don't give any answer.
Okay.
Okay. See, the first game, now I'll elaborate the games. Okay.
Absolutely.
The first game which I encountered was there is a target. Okay. Ball is there. Okay. And there are 3 concentric circles. Sorry, circles, no, squares. I'm so sorry. Square. Yes. Okay. And these 3 squares have 3 colors: red, blue, and green. I remember, as far as I remember. Okay. What you have to do in this game is the ball will roam randomly on the screen. Will move randomly. Okay, zigzag or any way. You have And with your pedal coordination, with both the things, you have to keep the ball touch, or you have to, keep the ball in the innermost square.
Okay.
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 When you will keep that in the innermost square, the color will change to red, I guess. Okay. I am not sure about the color sequence. I'm so sorry, guys. I am just telling you the brief about it. Okay.
Absolutely.
So the color will change to red. If you are in the secondmost square, the color will change to green, and in the outermost, then blue. This is something will happen. Okay, but and there are marks for it. If you keep it in the innermost circle, you'll get maximum marks. Then less in the
Less
outermost,
and
the
then
least.
oh,
So this is the thing. Okay. So the target ball will be roaming here on the screen randomly. You have to take your squares and try to make that the ball is in the innermost square.
so the ball movement will be in sync with the joystick which you are moving outside, right?
No, the square, the three innermost squares, that has to be synchronized with the target ball. And that synchronization of the squares will be done by the jockey and the pedal which you are moving. So
Absolutely. Got it. Got it.
the very attentive part in this is the warning. Okay, there are two switches on the side of the screen. Okay, they are mostly of red and orange color. Okay, those are all the warning lights. Okay,
Acha.
they'll ask you to wear the headphones. Okay, and while playing the game, a beep sound will come. So as soon as the beep sound comes, along with the plane, you have to shift your eyes towards that warning lights, the warning switch. If it starts blinking, you have to put it off with your hand. The other hand, which is free. Okay.
Okay.
वो अपने आप बंद हो जाएगी, ठीक है,
Hmm.
वो ब्लिंकिंग के लिए वार्निंग लाइट. बट अगर वो अपने आप बंद होगी तो आपके नेगेटिव मार्क्स होंगे.
और अगर आप बंद करेंगे तो फिर आपको उसके पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे.
आपको पॉइंट्स नहीं मिलेंगे पर आपके मार्क्स कटेंगे नहीं. आई एम नॉट श्योर पॉइंट्स मिलते हैं या नहीं, ठीक है,
But
दैट इज व्हाई आई एम नॉट ऑन दैट, बट कटेंगे जरूर. वो बंद तो अपने आप हो जाएगी. इट विल गेट क्लोज्ड. ओके, इट विल स्टॉप ब्लिंकिंग ऑटोमेटिकली. Okay, if you don't switch it off, if you don't switch it off, but if you don't, if you switch it off, then it's off.
then fine.
So this is something I would say be attentive. कि आप खेलने में इतना ज्यादा involve हो गए that you avoid the beep and the light.
Okay.
उस लाइट से पहले, the blinking से पहले आपको ये beep सुनाई देगा. You know, it sometimes happens that we are playing very concentratedly and we, just avoid what the things are going around. Avoid the things which are going around, but do be attentive what is going in your
And
ears.
this is what they want to test in you. That
Right.
maintaining your focus, but also giving attention towards the warning signs is something expected out of
Obviously,
any pilot.
practical experience when you're flying, okay, when you get the actual experience to fly,
Okay.
and if there is any warning in the signals are there, and if you avoid that while we flying, so
So yeah,
it's loss of life more
Yeah.
than the air around is loss of the life.
बिल्कुल
So
सही कहा. सही कहा.
and these warnings, these warning lights are for the two games, for the initial two games.
Okay. Okay.
Not all throughout the 7 games, for the initial two games.
Okay. 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 Understood.
I
Understood.
suggest that keep your eyes, your ears, everything open.
एंड अंजनी, ये जो इंस्ट्रक्शन है अबाउट दीज टू वार्निंग साइंस, ये तुम्हें पहले ही दे दी गई थी एट द स्टार्ट ऑफ द गेम.
Yes, आपको the same officer who was in the round one, he'll make one student sit in the cockpit. Okay, he'll only ask you and show how you have to adjust your jockey and your pedal according as per your length and as per your comfortability. He'll explain to you that these two are the signs, okay, and there will be a beep, you have to switch it off. If you don't, you'll lose marks, okay. So these instructions will be given. And they will also be written before the starting of the game when there is a instruction for the games.
Okay.
Okay. So means you need twice the chance to understand all the
Rules.
instructions and all the rules. Yes. So I guess if you miss this, then I
Yeah,
guess it's somewhere around your fault.
absolutely, absolutely. So this was round one. What was round
Yeah.
two?
See, round two is the there will be how would I explain it? Yes, there are number of balls. Okay, the target balls you can say, or you can see the tracer ball. I'm so sorry, the tracer ball. Okay, they will be coming in a line from upward from the above the screen. Okay, and that will also be in a random figure, or
Acha,
you can
acha.
say the random line. Okay,
Okay.
one target ball will be given to you. What you have to do is you have to take that target ball and you have to bring it on that whole design in on the tracer box.
You have to follow the trajectory.
Yes. More
Okay.
accurate word would be yes, trajectory. I was not getting the word, I'm sorry. Yes,
Okay.
that you have to follow the path of that trajectory. That
Acha.
and the best part in this game I like is how many times, many a times will touch that target ball with the tracer ball, it will give a beep sound, beep, 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 which makes you know that you have touched the tracer ball.
So like you have to follow the path, but you can't touch the ball, right?
You don't have to, you have to touch the ball only. Tabhi to
Okay.
beep sound, right? Yes.
So it they want you to hit at that ball, right?
Yes, you have
Okay.
to follow, take a ball, okay, and I'll show only by the example of my hand,
Yes,
okay, with the gesture. Yeah.
हाँ,
So, the tracer balls are coming from above the screen, okay,
हाँ,
in a
हाँ.
motion, and then ball like this, okay. They come in this way, this way, this way, in any way, okay, zigzag, zigzag. You have to take your
Joystick.
target ball, okay, on the
Hmm.
tracer ball in the joystick, and you have to move it on this tracer, like this.
Oh,
Okay.
understood.
And as many as times you touch the tracer ball with the target ball, there will be a beep sound which counts that your marks. ये touch हुआ है.
अच्छा, अच्छा, अच्छा.
उसी टाइम पे जब warning भी आएगी, तो you have to switch it off. So this
अच्छा,
is
उसमें भी
something
warning आएगी.
I told you know that in initial two games there are warnings.
Okay, I thought that जो 4 chances मिलते हैं उसकी 2 इनिशियल्स में वार्निंग आएगी. ऐसा नहीं है. जो राउंड
So
की 2 राउंड्स हैं उसमें.
the game means चारों ट्रायल में वार्निंग लाइट तो आएगी. जो पहला ट्रायल है वैसे ही दूसरा ट्रायल होगा.
ठीक है,
But
ठीक.
the warning light is for the initial two games.
Okay, got it, got it. Then उसके बाद के क्या राउंड्स थे?
उसके बाद guys see I don't remember the exact order. Okay, because I was also very much focused into playing my games and in the CPSs. So I don't remember the exact order. But yes, I elaborate what all games I have encountered.
बिल्कुल,
Okay.
बिल्कुल.
So two are done. Okay. The third one is there. The game is called Blinking Dots. I remember the name, so I'd say it. Blinking Dots. Okay. The whole screen will get occupied or will get filled with the small, small dots. Okay. And the color, I don't know, the color remains the same, but the color is like the color of a bottle gourd, a very light green color. Okay. इस गेम में क्या होगा कि anywhere in the screen, anywhere, a dot will start blinking. You have to take your cursor, the one with the jockey. Okay, you have to take that tracer sphere of yours that will be of a square shape. Okay, you have to take that to that blinking dot and you have to fire it. The
Okay.
color will change of that when you will fire. If it changes to pink, that means you have fired the correct shot. If it does
Okay.
not, then nothing. No
You
color.
missed it. Okay.
Yes. And I would say, with my personal experience, this game I played the worst. I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. Because the dot is blinking hardly for 4 to 5 seconds.
And you have to rush back to
Can you
the.
manage? So means for the ones the dot is blinking here, as soon as I get here, and if I miss the target or if I get the target, that's a different thing. But soon I'll get it here. So
Yeah.
means I have to rush, and the dot which is linked in, that will be of the same color. It won't be of a different color. It will be of the same color that is of rest of the other dots.
Okay.
So to figure out on the whole screen, circulating your eyes that where the dot is linked in, and then reach into it will consume some of your time. So I would suggest that this game is to be very very quick.
एग्जैक्टली आई मीन यू नो तो मुझे बता रही हो तो मुझे लग रहा है कि कितनी जल्दी जल्दी भागना पड़ रहा होगा पूरी स्क्रीन पे.
Right.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
This is not what I want to tell. Okay, that मेरा ये गेम आई नो डाउन द लाइन कहीं अच्छा नहीं हुआ था, पर मैंने उसको अपने बाकी गेम्स पे इफेक्ट नहीं होने दिया.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सही कहा. हाँ.
Because if I would have lost, like lose any hope और like नहीं हो रहा यार ये गेम बिगड़ गया, तो मेरे बाकी सारे गेम बिगड़ जाते.
बिल्कुल सही कहा तुमने. राइट.
I know this requires very much accuracy and practice जो मुझे नहीं थी. Obviously, you don't get these games to play anywhere, and you don't play it in your real life. Like I would say, PUBG and Mini Militia is something people are like at height of it, right? But these games you won't encounter in any Play Store or anywhere. So you play it for the first time. That is why they give you 4 trials.
Okay.
Right? Yes.
So like how about the next games? वो कैसे थे?
The next one was a arrow game. Okay, I don't remember the name. I'm so sorry, guys. But I will explain the game. It's a very nice game. I loved it personally. Okay, the game is there is a horizontal bar. Okay. From the rear end, from the front end, not the rear end. From the front end, it is transparent. Means you can see an arrow coming. Okay, but in the middle, it is but in the middle it is opaque.
Okay.
Okay, that portion is to be opaque in orange color. Okay, and then in the end of that opaque portion there is a vertical bar. Okay, and then the horizontal bar continues in the rear end. Okay, now what the game is nice, that a arrow will be coming.
Okay.
Speed of the arrow in every coming of the arrow will be different. Sometimes it will be slow, sometimes it's very too fast. Okay, so I would suggest कि आप उस arrow की speed देखो, वो instructions में भी बताएंगे आपको. Before every game, they give you very clear instructions about the game. Okay, और ट्रायल्स के बीच में भी आप जब तक फायर नहीं करोगे वो गेम स्टार्ट नहीं होगा. So you can relax. If it is sometimes you get sweaty hands or you get tired because of playing it. So you can take a rest, but ऐसा नहीं, not more than 5 or 10 minutes, but you can take a rest between the 2 trials also. आप फायर शॉट करोगे तभी वो गेम स्टार्ट होगा.
बिल्कुल.
Arrow is coming, ठीक है. The game is कि वो उस ओपेक बार के पीछे तक वो arrow दिखेगा.
नहीं दिखेगा.
पर जैसे ही वो ओपेक बार से निकलेगा वहां पे वर्टिकल बार है. आपको उसकी स्पीड से अंदाजा लगाना है. You have to calculate as per the speed you have seen on that arrow in the front end of the horizontal bar कि आपको वो अब लगेगा कि वो वर्टिकल बार का टच कर रहा है उस arrow up point. So you have to click, you have to fire at that time. If the arrow converts into a green arrow after touching the vertical bar, after coming out of that opaque bar, means you have played at the correct point. If it turns red, then you have missed the chance.
So मतलब आपको स्पीड के बेसिस पे उसकी लोकेशन को जज करना है.
Yes. Okay. जिस स्पीड से आ रहा है आप समझ लो कि वो इतने टाइम में शायद ओपेक बार को क्रॉस करके उस एरो अब जो पॉइंट है, the very tip point, how means how can you calculate that tip point is touching that vertical bar.
The vertical bar.
At that time, that is the calculation that no one can teach you. So,
Okay. ये तो गेम अच्छा है. It's quite interesting. Yeah.
Interesting and it tests your speed, ability, and your ability how and judges speed or coming of the target. So I would suggest that if as from the starting I'm saying, keep your eyes, ears, everything open.
और ये सारे टेस्ट जो है वो एक्चुअली में अगर तुम किसी मतलब एयरक्राफ्ट में बैठे पायलट से कंपेयर करो तो ये कितना ज्यादा सिमिलर है. यू आर सीइंग एन एयरक्राफ्ट और आपकी स्पीड उससे पता चले कि आप वो कितने टाइम में आपके पास आ जाएगा. आई मीन दीज आर एक्चुअली डिजाइन फॉर दी.
Because these are something the cases which you can encounter practically when you are flying.
एयरक्राफ्ट
When you get ability to fly, जैसे warning lights आ रही, warning signals आ रहे, if you are not paying attention to them, you can risk your life, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
If you are not able to calculate the speed of the coming target, then how will you be able to, the ones who are going for the fighter jets? So they don't see that you can become a pilot, or means they don't welcome you that this is a aviation training academy. No, they just want to see that do you have the capabilities to become a pilot. They are not making you a pilot. They want to see the capabilities that can you become a pilot.
Do you really have it in you or not?
I would say, Sagrika, this is my whole soul dream. Like since the childhood, like when we are in our childhood stage, when we know a bit more than a teenage age, I've seen many people with my friends, with my family, with my cousin, that the dream gets changed. Like in childhood, they have to become a doctor. After encountering certain studies like science and everything, they get changed. I'll become a CA. Okay, and then and then coming to the college, it gets converted into something else. But for me, it was constant since childhood till now.
No, what I'm saying is they really want to check, do you really have it in you or not? The capabilities to become the pilot. Yeah,
Right.
absolutely.
I believe that if you have that, Hindi word, that is the best. I don't think this word can replace any English word can replace.
Yeah.
The josh. If you have that josh to become a pilot, मुझे बनना ही बनना है. You can crack CPSs. That is why that since childhood till now, I only to become a pilot. This is my whole soul one dream. So for me, it was like कि ये करना ही है चाहे कुछ. So that is you should have that josh. You should have that craziness.
Okay. And we are really happy to see that craziness. So let's come back to the same question.
Yeah.
The 3 rounds were left. So please tell us about the rest of the rounds.
See, the other round is the arrow one is done. Okay. The other round is memory or a reminder, something like that. Okay.
Okay.
What happens in this is alphanumeric digit, or you can say a word will be shown. Okay. And for I guess 2 to 3 seconds, not more than that. Okay. Or maximum you can consider 5 seconds. Okay. The word will go, that alphanumeric word will go, and on the other screen the option will like the word contains which one of not the following. Means the word did not have the options will be there A B C D E. Okay. तो उस वर्ड में इनमें से कौन सा वर्ड नहीं था? Yeah, not. I'm sorry, I'm unable to frame the question. Okay. Like, but you have to figure out that which alphabet or which numerical digit was not there in that alphanumeric word which was shown to you previously. So this is also a very quick game because
and you have to keep that in mind. You have to be very good in
you have
memory.
to keep that in mind for only 5 seconds it's shown. So आप पढ़ो और रन करो, ठीक है? कितने में दूसरी स्क्रीन आ जाएगी, उसमें आएगा which of the following does not contain, ठीक है? या नहीं है, आप ऑप्शन पढ़ो, इतने में चली जाती है स्क्रीन.
Exactly. I can totally understand.
scene for that question is also for 2 to 3 seconds maximum, not more than that. So I would suggest कि हाँ मतलब ऐसे आंखें डुबा लो बस. Don't stick your eyes anywhere. Just run it through the options
Okay,
as
okay.
fast as you can. Yes.
And then, like, we have completed, I guess, 6 stages or
No, we
five
have.
stages. Yeah,
Well, it's fine. Yes.
5. We are still left
Yeah.
with 2.
Yeah. The sixth one is the. This is the last name actually, as far as I remember. That a smiley one.
Okay, okay.
In this, what will happen is we all use emoticons on our social media apps, right? So those
Ah.
emoticons also have a role in CPSS. So
Acha.
the role is that a emoticon will be shown to you, a single emoticon. Okay, I would suggest see every minute detail of that emoticon. उसके दो आंखें ऐसे is there a single dash or the eyes are in a circular form means what is the representation of the eyes?
Yeah,
Are
yeah.
they in a dash form? Are they in a circular form? Are two ears shown or not? Means everything. I'll tell you why I'm telling this and requesting this to see every minute detail or will be shown for 2 to 3 seconds. You have to observe it very minutely. Okay. Then वो emoticon हट जाएगा पूरी screen emoticon से भरी हुई है. The whole screen
Acha.
and of different emoticons. That
So
is
you have
why
to choose yours.
yes. अब
Okay.
आपको स्पेयर के फॉर्म में एक पॉइंटर होगा आपका ठीक है उसको आपको सीक्वेंस वाइज यू कैन नॉट रोज एग्जैक्टली अच्छा यहाँ देख लिया तो यहाँ पे क्लिक कर दो नो इट इज मैंडेटरी वरना वो आपको आप क्लिक करते रहोगे वो आपका शॉट मानेगा ही नहीं इट वोंट कंसिडर योर शॉट
अच्छा, अच्छा, अच्छा.
आपको डूइंग सीक्वेंस पहला रो खत्म होगा फिर ही आप दूसरे रो में आ सकते हैं
Okay, got it, got it.
left to right sorry हाँ left to right to left in that way.
Left. Acha, okay.
And I mean the word for this left to right to left is like Boskirophiron. So you have to manage that skill of yours. Okay. And आप सारी इमोटिकॉन को देखो ठीक है द इमोटिकॉन विच यू सी हाँ वो पहले वाला है बिकॉज ऐसा होता है ये सिर्फ एक माइनर डिफरेंस है आपके इमोटिकॉन में आपके आईज रिप्रेजेंट की थी डैश से और उस इमोटिकॉन में सर्कल है सो इफ यू डोंट ऑब्जर्व द डिटेल्स माइन्यूटली आप वो सर्कल वाले पे और इसमें पता है द माइनस पॉइंट इन दिस गेम इज कि आप जिस भी इमोटिकॉन पे क्लिक करो इस सीक्वेंस में चलते हुए वो डिसअपियर हो जाए
Okay,
so when
okay.
you have shorted a red emoticon or not you don't know तुमने
Okay.
गलती किसी और पे कर दिया तो वो इट विल गेट डिसअपियर
हाँ, करेक्ट, करेक्ट. तो मतलब आप अपने परफॉर्मेंस को जज नहीं कर पा रहे हो कि मैंने सही वाला किया है कि गलत वाला किया है.
ऑब्वियसली अगर आप माइन्यूट से देख रहे हो हाँ मैंने सही किया तब तो पता ही है पर अगर आपने गलती से या कोई कंफ्यूजन और आपने कर दिया तो यू वोंट बी एबल टू मेक इट अप
Absolutely.
Hi, actually, Sadrika, the thing which I was explaining for the emoticon game, तो आपको सीक्वेंस वाइज मूव करना है ठीक है उसमें आपको बहुत माइन्यूटली ऑब्जर्व करना होता है कि इमोटिकॉन जो आपको दिखाया था इज इट सेम और नॉट ठीक है और आप जिस पे भी शॉट करोगे अगर आप सीक्वेंस में चल रहे हो और आप जिस पे भी शॉट करोगे वो डिसअपियर हो जाएगा सो इसीलिए आप अभी गलती से किसी और इमोटिकॉन को कर दो तो यू आर नॉट उसको ठीक नहीं कर सकते आप यू आर नॉट कनेक्टेड
Undo नहीं कर सकते.
and neither you can not stop it वो disappear होगा so इसीलिए बहुत minutely observe करना कि आपका इमोटिकॉन्स क्या आया है like it is थोड़ा बहुत हेयर है नहीं है आईज डैश वाली है या सर्कल है ईयर्स कैसे बनाए हुए हैं so these are certain things which I would suggest कि आप
You
जरूर
have to
ध्यान
be observant enough. Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And what is the last round now?
See, the last one is a word and color game. Okay. It's नॉट इजीली अंडरस्टैंडेबल, ठीक है। उसमें ये होता है कि आपको स्क्रीन होती है, ऊपर लिखा हुआ होता है ABCD में, जैसे येलो, ग्रीन, ब्लू, जो भी कलर्स है, ठीक है, 3 या 4 कलर्स होते हैं, ठीक है। नीचे 2 टॉर्च बनी होती है, एक के ऊपर होता है वर्ड, एक के ऊपर होता है कलर, ठीक है। एक वर्ड आया, मतलब मान लो येलो आया, ठीक है, आई एम जस्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग फॉर एग्जाम्पल। येलो आया, और अगर कलर पे वो टॉर्च या वो बल्ब ब्लिंक करता है, नॉट टॉर्च, द करेक्ट वर्ड विल बी बल्ब, अगर वो कलर पे बल्ब ब्लिंक करता है, तो जो कलर येलो लिखा है आपको वो ऑप्शन दबाना है।
ओके।
मतलब जो कलर येलो ना, जो शो हो रहा है, सॉरी, भले वर्ड ग्रीन लिखा है, पर अगर वो येलो कलर से लिखा हुआ है, तो यू हैव टू प्ले दैट ऑप्शन।
ओके ओके। तो इसको अगर मैं ऐसे समझना चाहूँ कि जो उस कलर के कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग है, आपको वो हिट करना है।
यस, अगर जो बल्ब है वो कलर का जला, ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लिख के आया येलो, ठीक है, और बल्ब जला कलर के ऊपर, तो जो ऊपर ABCDE में लिखा हुआ है, तो अगर मान लो पिंक वर्ड लिखा हुआ है, वो येलो कलर से लिखा है, तो आपको वो पिंक वाला ऑप्शन टिक करना है। ओके, एंड इफ इन केस मान लो पिंक वर्ड आता है और वर्ड पे बल्ब ग्लो हुआ है, ठीक है, तो अगर वो वर्ड भले ही येलो कलर से लिखा है, लेकिन है वो पिंक, तो वो ऑप्शन टेक करना है। तो दिस इज समथिंग यू हैव टू
Yeah.
अंडरस्टैंड।
So the last stage is actually the difficult one.
हाँ, मतलब इनफैक्ट आई से कि धीरे धीरे थोड़े लेवल्स बढ़ जाते हैं, ठीक है। और ये जो कलर और वर्ड वाला कॉम्बिनेशन है, इसमें हम यूजुअली हो जाता है कलर अच्छा कलर कर दो, पर नहीं, थोड़ा सोच के देखना है और ऑप्शन क्लिक करना है।
Okay, okay. So Anjali, you have very fairly, explained each and every stage. चाहे वो एरो का हो, चाहे वो अभी जो तुमने कलर का बताया, चाहे वो इमोटिकॉन्स का हो. Now, stage 1, stage 2 you clear. अगर बहुत ही thoroughly समझा है CPSS के प्रोसेस को. लेकिन फ्लाइंग एंट्री में जो दूसरा सबसे बड़ा हर्डल है, वो होता है मेडिकल्स का. So
Yes.
tell me that how your medicals was different from the rest of the people in your batch.
See, almost all the tests are similar, okay, but there are two main changes, I would say. Okay, for
Two
the
extra
flying,
tests.
for the flying candidates, the thing is that जो admin staff या जो ground staff के लिए होते हैं, they have to undergo for only one chest X-ray, okay, but for flying there are 7.
Okay.
It includes many chest, back, and वगैरह वगैरह. So there are overall 7. ठीक है?
Okay.
And human engineering is one part in medical for only for flying. Okay. In that they see your back length, your height, okay, your leg length, your length from the knee till the foot, okay, yeah, and your shoulder length, how broad they are, okay. Then the length from the palm to the fingers, then the
palm.
length biggest finger, okay, and same goes for the foot, okay. So there are like human engineering is all overall body length.
Which you can't change. Yeah.
You cannot change, huh? So I have heard, I don't know how far is it true or not. Okay, I am completely, unaware and sure about this thing. But yes, I have heard that the people who get PR, the candidates who get recommend, who clear CPSS, okay. So those ones who get PR in human engineering, they cannot clear their medicals because obviously you cannot increase your bone length.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Okay. So like, X-rays are more in number and the human, the different measurements, they play a very, very, very important role.
Means there is, I have read it, I am not completely accurate about the measurement, but yes, the leg length should be minimum 99.0 centimeter to maximum 120.0. You should not be too
Exceeding the limit as well.
to exceed in the limit or below than the limit.
So Anjani, since you were for flying, and when you are appearing for specifically the flying branch, so I need to understand that how the interview questions changed for you. क्या उन्होंने स्पेसिफिकली फ्लाइंग से ही रिलेटेड, फाइटर जेट से ही रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन पूछे, या वो जनरल इंटरव्यू था जैसा कि तुम मतलब किसी और से भी वो लेते?
You want to ask me about the interviewing officer session,
Yeah.
right?
Exactly. Yes.
See, I'll say the interview was quite, went smooth. Okay, and we discussed, and we not discussed actually. We talked about my overall life experiences and everything. Yes, obviously, he did incline towards my flying branch, because obviously, and my primary and focus branch is flying. Okay, and the officer itself, he had served as a in
Fighter
flying
pilot.
branch. Yeah, he has served as in a flying branch, so that is why he was inclined towards that. Okay, and not much. He did ask me that why I want to go, which is a very basic question. Okay, and he did ask me about the names of the aircrafts, like transport helicopters, what are the transport aircrafts we have, fighter aircrafts we have. Okay, and I guess we should have the knowledge about. At least you are going in that field, and if you don't have the knowledge,
It
so
doesn't
he did
make
ask
sense.
me. Yeah, so he did ask me, and these are the certain things, like not more than that, only this much part.
Okay. So Anjali, like we talked about medicals, we talked about CPSS, we talked about maths, and different questions related to the meters. But Anjali, you were from very start passionate about flying. You
Yes.
prepared well for CPSS, you cleared it as well. But to that Anjali who was unaware about CPSS, what would be your suggestion? To an aspirant who is aspiring for flying, but somewhere down the line that person is having doubts. So what your suggestion would be for that person?
See, I would suggest that start coordinating your hand, leg, and your mental coordination. Means in the games, as the games I have described, Sadrika, in this video. Okay, so as you can see that these games require coordination of your legs, your hand, as well as your stability of mind and your attentiveness. So I would suggest that the ones who themselves have this recognition, okay, or they can test themselves that whether the coordination of these four things, leg, hand, your attentiveness, which includes your eyes and everything, and your mental attentiveness. So I guess this should be something we should practice. Like I have not tried this, but yes, I have heard the people who are good in driving cars. Because in car, when you drive a car, you have to have the coordination of your leg and the steering in hands. You don't have a jockey, but you have a steering
Steering
wheel.
wheel.
Yeah. So I guess you can practice about that, about the coordination. Okay, the maths part I have already described. Okay, then comes the logical reasoning question, includes the odd one out. Okay, and they will give you some very similar but with a minute different figures. Okay, and you have to figure it out which two are similar. That is why I'm saying with this experience, like I encountered 15 to 20 questions of this folding thing. Okay, and I gave it. I did not nervous for once. Okay, but I was like I cannot spoil my rest of the paper. Only
I
on
mean,
this one.
you shifted your focus from that part to the part in which you
Yes,
could have
I
given more
did attempt. I did attempt those questions. Okay, but I was not satisfied with my attempt because I knew down the line that I'm not so good in this part. So that is why I would suggest that do logical question practice, do the math practice. Okay, the meters will be explained to you, and if you get the opportunity to get any information about the meters from anywhere, then do have a look at it. Okay, it's just that if you know it prior, you'll able to understand more clearly once you know in that all room. Okay, so this is all and the coordination.
But Anjani, I need to tell you that you are one of those few girls I came across who is so willing to share the information. You know,
Yes.
light went away, we ran into technical glitch, but you made sure that this interview is done. So I'm really
Yeah.
so thankful to you for, for this lovely
All
gesture.
my pleasure. In fact, I should thank you, Sarvika, that through your channel, at least I am able to, spread this
Knowledge.
procedure, all the things, all the information that some of the, crazy experience like me for flying are looking. Please.
Absolutely, Anjani. In fact, I need
I have cleared it, so no one can take that from me, right? So why not others get the opportunity to clear it?
absolutely. In fact, I was getting so many requests to conduct a session with a CPSS qualified candidate recently. So thank you so much, Anjani, for your time. I wish you all the best, and you are really very, very helpful and lovely girl. And it's like I'm going to cherish this friendship throughout my life. So all the best. I hope you get your name in the merit list. All the best from the whole team of the nation.
I would means beyond the 7 stages of the sky. If I get the name in the merit list, I need to go to the academy. But yes, I'll also say to all the aspirants, to the audience which is connected through your channel, that it is not impossible. Uh,
Absolutely. Agree with
that
you.
SSB getting recommended and the further procedure, it is not impossible. Yes, it requires your hard work, it requires your luck. Both go hands in hand. I won't lie that. Okay. But I would also suggest, I have seen people, I want to add this message through your channel, Sandrika, because uh, you are connected through many people. So this is a platform where probably I can put my words, okay, or my thought which I want to convey to people, and that is as I'm also very much experienced. I was very die-heartedly wanted that if I go in pilot, that will in Indian Air Force or means to serve the armed forces to the nation. Okay, so but along that, I also had a backup. I have seen people who dedicatedly, who are
Absolutely.
madly, dedicatedly behind this. Huh. They're only doing for the SSB and this. It's a very long procedure. Okay. Obviously, it takes time because the batches are so many there. The candidates have started applying so much. In fact, girls are applying. I can see, girls are coming ahead than boys.
More in number. Yeah,
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 they're
absolutely.
example. Okay. So means along with this, please do something also along with this thing. Understanding your passion, your madness for this is obvious. But
It's
being
all
on a practical note, you never know. Like the stages are like whenever you can be in doubt, uh, because there is a recommendation, then the ones who are going for flying CPSs, the one who are also going for the admin or ground staff, okay,
or
and they
we
are,
could in the medicals as well.
yes, in the medical, okay, then in the merit list. So I would suggest and I would also request, because I have seen people who sometimes go in a depression, or
Yeah,
a very low and a negative side. So I would request you all who are preparing for SSB that please have a backup, do something else also, so that in case, I'll pray that everyone gets to through their dreams. But if in case you are unable to, myself also means my merit list mein abhi tak it is left. But if in case you don't get through these all the procedure, at least you have something in your hand, because if this time goes, this is a very crucial time, this age time. So
absolutely,
it's
absolutely. Can't
something
agree.
I want to convey through your channel, that please have a backup,
Mhm.
so that compose yourself. You don't lose hope that you have nothing left in your life after
And you
this.
won't feel shattered, even if things go worst. So you won't feel shattered. There would be something for you, yeah, to do
You'll
again.
feel bad. You'll feel bad, but you'll have something that can hold you up.
Absolutely, Anjali, absolutely. You raised very important point, very important.
This is something I wanted to add in the last session of this interview and this interaction.
Yeah.
That guys, please focus on this more, but have a backup that you don't lose hope, and there is much life, more beautiful life beyond this. I, Obviously, focus on this. I'm not saying that don't take me otherwise, but yes,
We get you. We
live
get
the
you.
life up.
Yeah. It's like dream, but keep the, reality and this everything that's
Yeah.
happening with you on.
Practicality should be, the first option, the first thing which you should keep in front.
Absolutely. So
Yes.
thank you so much, Anjani, for coming to The Nation Needs You. And to all the aspirants and to all the recommended candidates who come to my channel, I always say The Nation Needs You.
Yeah, surely. And we are here for the nation. No worries for that. Thank you,
Okay.
Sarvika, for having me. And I'm very, glad that I got the opportunity to, share my experience. And I would also thank you that, you gave me this opportunity to,
Like that.
and to many others. Seriously, this is a wonderful work that you are doing. That, you are a mediator between people who are aspiring and the people who have gone through that experience. So you are a mediator. You are the E which connects these two other sides of the path. So thank you very much, and thank you for the time you have taken out for this, and all the best to everyone and to you also.
Chalo, see you at the academy then.
Yeah, sure. Why not? We'll meet at the academy. Okay, bye bye.